Welcome to Freeze Code. Our project today will be this typing effect. This project will be a form of series. We are going to be writing some of JavaScript projects. The first one we are going to consider is the typing effect. Well, this is what we are trying to achieve at the end of the day. You can see some element typing up and you see the cursor blinking, and that is what we are trying to achieve at the end of this project. This project 1. Without wasting time, we will start the project. But this is the current project, our current file. So we are going to start the project from scratch. To do so, we are going to type in we're going to start with another file called typing effects. Please have a keyboard issue, so I'm managing my system keyboard. So I'm going to write typing effects. Now since we are typing effects, I'm going to call this new project typing effect 1. Now we start by calling I'll start by copying the image file. We'll just copy the image file and folder, and therefore come to this current project and copy and paste it there. Now we are going to close this index file. We are going to create another index file. Since we are starting another project, I'll call this index.html. Now we've started a new file already. Now we'll just type HTML. VS Code will help us do the rest. I'll take my mouse, take it to HTML.5, and you see I'll get a template. Let me start by changing the title of this project to projects. Call this projects 1. Then I'll name the project 1 to be typing effects. Now that is typing effects. Now I'm going to create call the link file. Just type link CSS. Now this is what I will do. I'll click on my control, then I'll click on the keyboard while my mouse is directly on the link file. You see, it will tell me to create this. The CSS file now. I'll just click create. Then I have a CSS file ready. I'll do the same to create my script file. Create scripts, click here, then I'll call the script file script.js. I'll click on the script file here and tell me to create, then I'll add. So I have both my script and CSS file already available, although they are empty now. Now we'll start creating projects. Now we'll start creating our projects. Now, as you see from our code, you see our project contains a nav bar Then the middle section that contains the typing effect. And if you look below, we have the footer. So this is what we are going to create. We are going to create the nav bar, the middle section, and the footer. So let's start by creating the nav bar. I'll do so by calling it dev. Now I will create a class called nav.navbar. In the nav bar, I'm going to create sorry. I'm going to create a nav tag to be empty, and there we'll create a span. Now the span, we have a class name, and the class name will be called logo. Now inside the span tag, I'll call an image tag. Now the image tag will contain our image file. So in our source in that CRX, which means as source, I'll just call the image. Now once I click on this, that's our image. Now this will be an alternative file. If in case our image is not found, it will say image not found. Now in our source file, I'll bring a paragraph tag. Now this paragraph tag will contain the text freeze code. So that's for our logo. Now let me add a default width to it first. This width will be 30. Now we'll have a default height 30. Now when we run this, we are going to see our logo, and therefore we'll see the testdf code. Without wasting time, let's go back to our project. Now the next thing we'll do there is we create another spam tag there. I'm going to call this spam tag. It will contain a class called cost center. Just click this. Then this one just contains 1. So this indicates that these are project 1. So we're just starting. Then the last one will be the spam. Then I'll call it class name. It will be name of projects, and that will contain the name of the project. Put this in paragraph, and that will be the project will be called typing effect. Please let me also put this inside the paragraph. Put the one inside the paragraph.